Horses out. We have Mr. Godfather. Pass to begin. Moving up on the outside. GoldenEye Dreamworks. Paminsan is by Drell Gobilis. All Invictus. IMAX Firebanks. And Watasiwa trails the field. Into the turn they go. We have Mr. Godfather by about 2 lengths. GoldenEye in second. A length and a half. Back in third comes Paminsan. 3 lengths a win for Dreamworks. Moving up by Drell Sol Invictus. Gobilis. IMAX Firepax. And 2 bar behind still is Watasiwa. They swing into the back. And that's still Mr. Godfather by about 2 lengths. Paminsan now moving up to take second. GoldenEye drives back in third. Dreamworks in fourth by Drell Pip. Sol Invictus. Gobilis. And that's still Mr. Godfather by our line Kanehapa. Paminsan remains in second. Dreamworks in third. GoldenEye, Sol Invictus, and Gobilis as they come down at the last 200. And it's still Mr. Godfather by about 2 lengths this time. Paminsan is still in second. Sol Invictus, Dreamworks. Last 100 meters. And it's still Mr. Godfather by about 3 lengths. Paminsan, Sol Invictus, and finally Mr. Godfather. Paminsan, Sol Invictus, Dreamworks, Firepax, IMAX.